Packaging plays a crucial role in brand positioning. It's the customer's first interaction with the product, creating an everlasting impression. Nowadays, packaging for most products is done using the packaging machines. In a short time span, our company has earned the reputation for making quality automatic bottle filling and packaging machines in India. Established in the year 2007, Swanpack Packaging Machines Pvt is an organization engaged in manufacturing, supplying, and exporting a remarkable range of bottle filling lines. Our experienced design team uses advanced CAD software for precision engineering. The team works in close collaboration to offer effective solutions to the customer requirements. We use latest trends of artificial intelligence and machine learning in our machines to improve efficiencies. The state-of-the-art infrastructure helps in meeting the exact requirements of cross-functional process. At Swanpack, we design, produce and deliver bottle cleaning, filling, capping, labeling, and end-of-line packaging systems. Few of our packaging solutions in industry verticals include food and dairy, personal care, pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, hygiene chemicals, beverage. We design and manufacture a complete line of precision, semi and fully automatic bottle filling equipment available in both standalone and customized configurations. Our machines range include pneumatic and servo liquid filling machine, pneumatic and servo viscous liquid filling machine, pickle and paste filling machine, powder filling machine, granule filling machine, and curd cup filling machine, capping, induction sealing, and labeling machines. The assembly and testing of our machines is done in an automated, modern facility headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Unwavering and unrelenting, our after-sales service is part of customers' first strategy. And hence a committed team of on-site service personnel are deployed for installation and commissioning, maintenance and training. Swanpack team believes in providing solutions with quality packaging machines and support to the challenges faced by customers in their packing areas.